chicken. Your chicken. Crystal. There you go. Kick it back. Kick it back, don't tackle it. Kick it back, brother.
This isn't football, Crystal.
It's not soccer either. Where do you go?
What?
Oh, just leave it down there. What happened to your thing? Sabrina.
I'm over here in your barn, Papa.
Yep.
You have a barn? I wasn't aware that was a barn.
No, that already won't leave you alone, will it? Oh, that already won't leave you alone.
Where's Carlos?
Hiding, probably.
Probably hiding under the shed.
I haven't seen Carlos in forever. I'm making a video.
Yeah, I made friends when y'all were singing Happy Birthday.
Well, I'm making it on my camera. I'll put it on YouTube and send it to you.
I never put anything on YouTube.
I do. I have videos of Artie on YouTube.
Go, Kiki, go! Go, Kiki, go! Go, Kiki, go!
It looks like she has a bald spot.
Go, Joey, go! Good, Kiki. Good girl. Good girl. Oh,
Oh.
again. There you go. You had to do the You okay? Her ankle.
Artemis. Hi, baby.
Wow. Don't hit
Ugh.
Izzy.
I smell dog poop. Get it, Izzy.
Wow, buddy.
Look at her, man. She's bucking.
Go, Izzy, go! Go, Izzy, go! Go, Izzy, go! Look at the brother. Look at the brother. Oh,
Where's she
Get
at?
it is!
There she is. Look at her.
Get it is!
Oh, she's loving this.
Doing it. There you go. He's now look at Izzy go.
Get it, girl.
Get it is.
Well, you need a bigger yard, you know.
I know.
Dogs can run around.
I know.
Get it is.
Joey, pick one up, pick it up. Pick up, throw it. Ooh, something it is just bacon things.
Yeah, it's probably the oil and vinegar.
Go, Kiki.
Sweet
Oh, there you
girl.
go.
I got